Tell me, what happened?
Sir,
Hello guys, please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show before you this the quarrel between two boys, and let us see what how they have described the incident before the teachers. The both of them try to blame each other. মোৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল আজি আমি চাই লওঁ দুজন ল'ৰাই কেনেকৈনো সৰু দুজন ল'ৰাইনো কেনেকৈ কাজিয়া কৰিছিলে স্কুলৰ ভিতৰতে এই কাজিয়াৰ বৰ্ণনা দিবলৈ গৈ পেলাই ইংৰাজীত কেনেধৰণে কৈছে কোনে কি কাক কেনেধৰণে ব্লেম কৰিছে কোনে কাক জগৰীয়া কৰিব বিচাৰিছে এইটো অকণমান চাই লওঁ
Tell me, what happened?
sir, this classroom
Hmm.
and this one, all this sensitive.
Hmm. Udit Mo, you tell me, what happened?
Sir, this is
Hmm.
Adil.
Adil doing like this?
Sir, this is sir, this is fighting. No, this is fighting.
Oh.
Sir, this guy is
Oh.
fighting.
He's fighting.
Yeah.
He's punching you.
No, sir, this classroom is and yes. No, sir, this is
Hmm.
Adil.
Oh.
Sir, this is yes. No, sir, this is
Are you hitting?
yes. No, sir.
Adil, Udit is boxing you.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Where do boxing? Here. Are you punching him?
No, Adil is punching.
Adil is punching.
Yeah. Sir, Udit is my punching. No, Adil is punching.
If you fight again, I'm going to call police. Okay? Okay? Police will come and you'll go to jail. Okay? Next time, don't fight.